Hey guys, what's up? I'm here again with another epic video, guys. But this time, this one is not a loyalty test, guys. This one is pop the balloon or find love. But this time, it's a Jamaican edition. Okay? So first, I want everyone to subscribe. Big respect to all of my subscribers. You understand? And remember, subscribe to this channel as well. One code music. Okay? So guys, let's get right into it. Dog. Hey, Mama Evo. Yo! Bro, I not even reach into the video as well, bro. I not even reach far, bro. John was that. Like the thing just start off. Epic, bro.
Are you me like here?
Guys, at least one balloon is leave.
I may have 2 hours, I bury some money, I go dig up here and share it, yeah? I go buy a car where you want. Yeah? I got you. You know alright, you know, you can't live.
What you say?
You want.
Oh, so you're not business. Who else?
I'm not responsive, nothing over there, sir. You.
A badness.
May I go for your money when you finish, yeah? I have 2 hours, I bury some money in one of the yard. You can choose one of the yard, but I go give you half my money still. I go buy what you want.
This guys, what if she choose the wrong yard, bro? Like, yo, bro, these females come to find love, matter of fact, guys. Yo, Janos, yo, this thing seems like a comedy, bro. Trust me. Yo.
And everything. I own them, man.
A badness. Yo, guys, subscribe. Yo, why this guy come on the channel to... He's very aggressive, trust me. Yo, am I gonna find love? Her balloon is still
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so what your name? You're not even introduce yourself yet?
My name is John Gotti, aka Sugar Daddy.
Sugar daddy. Mama flash her here.
Sugar Daddy.
Now watch them.
No watch
They
10.
don't want nothing out of life.
2.
Sugar Daddy. The girl named Sugar Daddy.
What you mean?
Alright, why you social?
Me?
Yeah.
Free single and disengagement.
No, you're social like it.
Yo, the man not fall to play. The man really want to find love.
Instagram or so.
TikTok still got it.
Still, alright, TikTok. Alright, so we're gonna find out why them pop the balloon that good.
No more hear from she. Me done with them.
Yeah.
So you know want to find out why them pop the balloon.
No.
Baby, talk to me.
We have to start with she and we'll go down the line and then we'll come back to she
You not
quick.
pop the balloon yet.
She pop her balloon, so we have to go
Please.
find out.
Really?
What's left now?
Left.
Hold on,
Bro, this thing is serious, bro.
Why you pop the balloon? Come to the side of me, G. Your name?
My
Yeah,
name
the
is
show
Shayan.
cannot end like that, bro.
The reason why I pop the balloon is because you're short. That's all.
Thank you. Left.
That's it, and how much did I rate him?
2.
Oh, you rate him 2 out of 10. How much did I rate him, G?
0.
Yo, guys, subscribe, bro. Like, this balloon channel is getting crazy, bro. Like, this pop balloon, find love thing, bro. Yo.
Alright. Wait, give me a minute. Yeah. Come down the line, G. Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Hi, I'm Zenny.
Why you pop the balloon, Zenny?
Too arrogant and short and old.
Alright, how much did I rate him though?
0.
Yeah, lash them put on good. Left. Next.
How much did I rate her though? How much did I rate her?
I'll give you 7.
No, she.
0. Too much makeup.
How much did I reach? No, why you pop the balloon? Sorry. Sorry, but...
Well, it's just too old for me
Thank you.
and short.
Me give you 6, but you're old too.
Hold on, give me a minute, but G. Yeah, how much did I rate him for? Because I'm short?
6.
6. Alright. You say you get her a 6.
Him kind of rate the one day.
Alright. Your name why you pop the balloon?
I tell me for puppy.
Yeah, come in like your wig. Yo, left, you're a pitney.
Yo, bro. Yo, Jano Star, yo, bro.
I am old man.
You're all tight. Come on, Billy, talk to me.
Bro, what is going on,
Alright,
bro?
shh. Wait.
How are going,
Hold
dog?
on.
How are
Alright, so everybody who pop them balloon, walk with grace for
Walk
me.
with grace.
Wanna lift up.
Lift up.
Alright, my G.
Yeah.
So, she never pop her balloon.
No.
Want to find out if because you tell her to never pop the balloon, I should never pop it willingly.
No, I don't know her for sure.
Yeah? What happened?
I first met this man and I'm not lying. I love the vibe.
Love the
My
vibe.
daddy, him tell me, you know, and I need to ask him. But I still want to know why you choose me.
Honestly, I like orange.
Okay.
Bad. The people.
Bro, what else, bro? Like, bro, just orange, dog. It don't like the color, so you don't choose a girl. Yo.
People on you before me come around and me say, are you? Me not responsive, none of them. I not even look upon them.
No, yeah, you ball pan
Just the
them.
color grab you.
Believe.
Believe.
So any girl in our orange.
No, she.
Alright, why you choose this color today?
Yo.
It's my favorite color.
I love it.
Connect. Alright,
Thank you very much.
so what I gotta do? Want him ask you a question. And based on your answer, you're gonna ask him a question too. Get to know him and think. We're gonna
Yeah.
find out, okay? Alright, so you go. What's the question for him? Find out.
How many children you got?
You want me to be honest with you? 9. But me rich.
Okay.
Be a rich girl, me to get pregnant. So that good. You don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
Bro, like, dog.
Okay, what's my month?
Bro, come on, bro. Like, no cap, bro. Like, trust me. Guys, subscribe, bro. Trust me, yo. Are you comedy, bro?
Allowance.
Me I put it to 200,000
Okay.
every month.
Okay.
Alright. Can be more, you know. Depends on how you cooperate, but you're good. I'm like you.
Waiting about that. That high, lower?
It's okay.
So
Think of a few things.
Wanna know
Bro,
how
it
to
seems
life.
like this lady
Can cover a
like
few
this
things.
kind of men, bro.
alright, my G. Ask her a question. Get to know her.
What's your name, please?
Amber.
Amber, where you from?
St. Elizabeth.
Bro, Amber, I saw that Amber thing popping up on my phone in Canada, bro. Like, this Amber is not this female, bro.
Put you in one I host them. I'll take you from country.
Okay.
Here? Got you.
Brawling.
So
Got
any
you.
more questions? Sugar daddy man.
Round
Sugar
2.
daddy man.
Round 2.
Yes.
What is round 2?
Busy good. We talk about this off the camera. Everything alright.
Seems like she wanna pop
Alright.
the balloon.
Oh, yeah.
Seems like she wanna
Oh,
pop
yeah,
the
man.
balloon. Look at her hand, guys.
Be.
Seems like she wanna pop the balloon for real,
You
bro.
know, I like what he's saying. I like when he put everything on the counter. But I didn't find a match here. But I saw someone, felt his energy. He's everything that I want and see in a man. Off the
Oh, is it
ear,
everything
behind
already?
the camera and stuff. Yes, I'm gonna pop my balloon.
Whoa. You mean say you see somebody behind the camera?
Him broke. Don't pop a balloon yet.
But we can build together.
Him broke.
We can build together.
Yes, me say,
you-
Guys, you see? She wanna pop her balloon, bro.
Broke. You know want to do that right now.
and,
And pop
and,
the balloon.
and trust me, I've been a sugar baby for years.
God no.
God no.
Pop it.
Yeah.
You know want nothing out of life either.
Oh, so you pop the balloon base because
Yeah. Because me know it's for a
You say it's somebody
moment.
else.
it's for a moment in Naga last.
And I see something that's
This is somebody
everlasting
else.
Behind the camera?
behind the camera.
Who busted?
No.
Oh.
Oh yes, like could you pick the person though? Could you call him forward?
No, you have to watch the other series, the other show for that.
Alright. Alright, no problem. What you have to say?
Somebody already.
Bye.
Alright. Walk with Grace here.
Bro, yo, God, no, yo, this thing seems like a comedy show, bro. Guys, this is the Jamaican edition, bro. Pop the balloon or find love, guys. Yo, you reach the end of the channel, bro. Yo, John was time. Yo. Yo. Guys, subscribe, bro. Subscribe. Yo, John was star. Subscribe, guys. Yo, I'm not even nervous, bro. Yeah. It don't bad up everyone, yo.